Hey guys, Ryan here. Today we are now eating our lunch and I will see you guys later. So guys, we are now at Toys R Us looking some Legos. Yeah. I must find the Minecraft minifigures. I do not know where is it, and yeah, I will see you guys when I found it. Hey guys, Ryan here. Today I have bought one of the minifigure, the Series 4 Obsidian series, the minifigure, and here's the code. It's quite hard to see. You can see the last word is like B. Can you see that? Yeah. So I will write all the code in the description down below. So guys, all these letters will not change except the last second one. It will always change. So and then example, this A and this B. Let's check it out. See what we get. I hope we get the cat. So let me put down the camera a while. And then opening. So this is the packet. Okay, wait, let me open it. So you see we got a cat. See our series, the cat series, the B, you see? Look, I got it. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and see you guys later. Bye.